Past continuous tense, affirmative sentences. I was watching the bird. She was doing her homework. Rena was giving me some food. They were going to school. It was having rain in their village. I was going to buy an umbrella. He was shooting at the enemies. I was smelling something bad. They were solving some serious problem. He was speaking in English and Spanish. I was taking John with me. Alicia was going to meet her mom. Natasha was meeting that beautiful guy. They were trying their best to complete the project. I was walking through the street. Tom was wearing black pants. She was laughing at me. I was laughing at the magician. They were leaving me alone. I was learning karate. John was keeping this hide. They were kissing each other in the roof. He was investing in a real estate company. I was installing an important software on my PC. They were ignoring me at all. She was hugging me so tight. I was hating the moment with her. They were getting late for class. She was forbidding me to smoke. She was falling from the roof. Past continuous tense. Negative sentences. I wasn't watching the bird. She wasn't doing her homework. Rena wasn't giving me some food. They weren't going to school. It wasn't having rain in their village. I wasn't going to buy an umbrella. He wasn't shooting at the enemies. I wasn't smelling something bad. They weren't solving some serious problem. He wasn't speaking in English and Spanish. I wasn't taking John with me. Alicia wasn't going to meet her mom. Natasha wasn't meeting that beautiful guy. They weren't trying their best to complete the project. I was walking through the street. Tom wasn't wearing black pants. She was laughing at me. I wasn't laughing at the magician. They weren't leaving me alone. I wasn't learning karate. John wasn't keeping this hide. They weren't kissing each other in the roof. He wasn't investing in a real estate company. I wasn't installing important software on my PC. They weren't ignoring me at all. She wasn't hugging me so tight. I wasn't hating the moment with her. They weren't getting late for class. She wasn't forbidding me to smoke. She wasn't falling from the roof. Past continuous tense, interrogative sentences. Was I watching the bird? Was she doing her homework? Was Rena giving me some food? Were they going to school? Was it having rain in their village? Was I going to buy an umbrella? Was he shooting at the enemies? Was I smelling something bad? Were they solving some serious problem? Was he speaking in English and Spanish? Was I taking John with me? Was Alicia going to meet her mom? Was Natasha meeting that beautiful guy? Were they trying their best to complete the project? Was I walking through the street? Was Tom wearing black pants? Was she laughing at me? Was I laughing at the magician? Were they leaving me alone? Was I learning karate? Was John keeping this hide? Were they kissing each other in the roof? Was he investing in a real estate company? Was I installing important software on my PC? Were they ignoring me at all? Was she hugging me so tight? Was I hating the moment with her? Were they getting late for class? Was she forbidding me to smoke? Was she falling from the roof?